Hi guys, today I'm gonna draw a Chiwe from Chikawa. So we gotta start the, the outline. And the ears. And the leg patterns on his head. And the eyes. And the nose and the... And I'm gonna draw the body. Okay, time for coloring. I think this is the right patterns on his like face is dark because I can't remember. There's no white. And let's color the ears. Oh, I hope this becomes good because I forgot how to draw perfectly. And I'll draw the tail against the surface. Chihuahua, Chihuahua. I hope I didn't
And look at the results.
I hope I didn't
Bye-bye.
Guys, bye.